Hey guys, this is Layla Ghost doing Mission Report 13 Space Exploration. So for the past, we talked about Galileo first resolved the band of light into individual stars with his telescope in 1610. In the early 1920s, most astronomers thought that the Milky Way contained all the stars in the universe, which was clearly wrong. On April 12, 1961, aboard the spacecraft Vostok 1, Soviet Yuri Alexeyevich Gagarin, I don't know how to pronounce that as much as I try to, but this is him, was the first human to travel space. The 27-year-old test pilot and industrial technician also became the first man to orbit the planet. One of the explorations I like to mention is the Mars Pathfinder, which is right here. It's an American robotic spacecraft that landed a base station with a roving probe on Mars in 1997. It was launched on December 4th, 1996 by NASA. Its job was to analyze Mars' atmosphere, climate, geology, and composition of rocks and soil. Mars Pathfinder used an innovated method of directly entering the Martian atmosphere with a parachute, which is right here, a picture of it, and giant airbags to cushion the landing. Now we talk about the present. And one of our recent current explorations would be OSIRIS-REx, which is right here. Don't know how to pronounce that as well, which was launched on September 8th, 2016. Its goal was to travel to a near-Earth asteroid, Bennu, and to bring a 2.1-ounce sample back to Earth to study. The mission is used to help scientists investigate how planets form and how life began, and a better understanding of asteroids that could impact Earth. On August 2018, asteroid Bennu arrived. September 24th, 1923, sample returned to Earth. Also, most of our knowledge of solar system objects has been achieved by remote sensing observations, which is this bad boy right here. Remote sensing analyzes remains our major tool for probing their atmosphere and surfaces and monitoring their spatial temporal variations. So this is solar panels, obviously. This is the sun sensor, not center. The star sensor as well, right here. And yeah, just a couple more things. So, talk about the future. Sources send a robot to Mars, visit an asteroid as old as our solar system, and embark on a journey to the sun, fly closer than ever before, monitor our dynamic Earth. The Mars 2020 rover will look for signs of past microbial life, gather samples for future, return to Earth, and investigate resources that could someday support astronauts. So this is Mars 2020 rover, and this is Mars. So it will be launched in 2020 and be sent to Mars. It will carry 7 carefully selected instruments to conduct unpredicted science and exploration technology investigations on the red planet. And this is my reference.